Hello guys, today let's make mouth-watering, delicious butter chicken recipe which is known for its rich, creamy tomato-based sauce and tender chicken pieces. So let's get cooking. Before we marinate, dip wooden skewers in water and keep aside for 1 hour. This will ensure sticks will not get burnt when grilling chicken. To marinate, transfer chicken in large bowl. Add thick curd, garlic paste, mint chutney, chicken masala or tandoori chicken masala, ginger, red Kashmiri chilli powder, dry mint powder, lemon juice, salt to taste and fresh cream. Mix to coat everything well onto chicken pieces, and this is how it should look. Marinating is important because chicken breasts don't take too long to cook. So if we add without marinating it, it will not absorb much flavor from the sauce. Additionally, charred chicken adds great taste to sauce as well. Once marinated, cover with cling foil and put in fridge overnight. If not possible, you are making this curry same day, marinate for 4 hours at least. Once out from fridge, remove cling foil, give a good mix. Remove skewers from water. Start threading 5 to 6 chicken pieces on them. Prepare all the chicken skewers like this and keep aside. Grilling chicken like this is much faster and also gives an even char. So when the quantity is big, I prefer to grill it this way. Heat a grill pan on medium-high heat with little butter, and once pan is very hot, start adding chicken skewers. Grill till they are tender and also have a beautiful char on them. Just like this, it's tender and is loaded with flavor too. It's breaking effortlessly. This means it has cooked perfectly. So keep aside. Now let's make super flavorful sauce. Take a large pan, put on medium heat, add in butter. Once it melts, add onions. We don't need finely sliced onions, as we will grind the whole sauce ingredients in a while. Then add dry spices. Mix well so the oil from spices start to release. Then add ginger pieces and garlic cloves. Give a gentle mix after each addition. Then add white melon seeds. If you don't have, you can add cashews as well. Mix and increase heat to high. Stir continuously. We don't want to burn or brown onions. Once soft and shiny, add chopped tomatoes. And coriander stalks. Red chilli powder and water. Stir everything well. Then add coriander powder, garam masala powder, and fennel powder. Stir everything well and let it simmer on low heat for 20 minutes. Put a lid on top to retain the beautiful aroma of our spices and also for faster cooking. Open lid after 20 minutes. Our masala is simmering and this smells heavenly. Stir and check for water content. If there is still much water, cook for another 10 minutes uncovered on medium-high heat. Crush kasuri methi in hands and add in the masala. Stir and cook further for 5 to 7 minutes. This looks done and has dried enough. So cool it down to room temperature and grind it to smooth puree. Strain puree in a saucepan. You can add butter or ghee at this stage, which is totally optional. Place pan on medium heat and cook for 7 to 8 minutes. Stir occasionally in between. Once slightly dried, add ketchup. Stir everything well. Add little water. Then add cream at room temperature. If it is too cold, it may split sauce. Simmer sauce on low heat, stirring in between till it thickens like this. If you find it thick, add 1/4 cup of water and cook on low heat for 5 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of butter, mix well. Some more hand crushed kasuri methi at this time. You can add green chilies now if using. If needed, adjust the salt as well. And then add 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey brings the balance in our sauce. Stir very well. Time to add beautifully charred chicken pieces. Simmer for few minutes to get the charred flavor of the chicken in this beautifully balanced sauce. Butter chicken, it looks amazing. It is so aromatic and very vibrant. Consistency of sauce is perfect. It is smooth and super creamy. Garnish with some more cream. Luscious butter chicken is ready to impress your taste buds. Nothing beats sitting down to this delicious butter chicken curry with family and friends. It's ideal main course for Saturday family dinner, potlucks, or festive dinner parties. Mouth-watering, delicious butter chicken. Enjoy it with naan, tandoori roti, or basmati rice. If you have liked this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and also please subscribe to my channel. Your support is a constant source of inspiration. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.